everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lolo for those of you who didn't already know. So today I'm here with an exciting video. I'm super excited because I don't want to say it's something that I've wanted for a long time, but like as soon as I saw it like 5 weeks ago, I was like, I need to have this, I need to have this. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. Actually, I do know why I'm out of breath. I just ate like a massive meal and it's like my 6th meal of the day, and this quarantine just has me eating like so much. Yeah, but like, am I the only one who's just stuffing her face? I'm gonna pace myself and work through this video because I do have a lot of excitement. So yeah, so this, what I'm about to show you was a gift, and I woke up to it in front of me and I literally just screamed. So I'm not gonna lie and say this is the real like first reactions unboxing because I've kind of opened it already and like tried it out, so I know it's dope. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video. So I will tell you guys and show you guys what I just got. Okay, so what I got is the Dyson Airwrap. I don't know if you've heard of this, but if you haven't heard of this, you're living underneath a freaking rock. So this is it's Dyson, like the vacuum cleaner. They're really good with like electronics and stuff. So they have a straightener and they have this blow dryer thing. So this is the complete set. So I got the whole thing. And it says it's a Coanda air styling propelled by the Dyson Digital Motor V9. Curl, wave, smooth, dry with no extreme heat. So basically the way this works is like, it works with air, but like, it's really weird. I'll link the videos down below about like the science behind it because I don't even know how to explain it, but basically it uses minimal heat to achieve your styles. And for someone like me with natural hair, that's a big plus. So on the box here, it sort of like gives a little bit of an explanation of how like the air works. So even with the curler, like the air sucks your hair onto the curler and spins it on. You don't have to wrap your hair on yourself. It's absolutely crazy. I'll do a little demo because I'm changing my hairstyle tomorrow, so I'm willing to get this a little bit messy. Anyway, so the brushes that it comes with are the 30mm long barrels for voluminous curls or waves, the 40mm long barrels for loose curls or waves, the firm smoothing brush for a straighter style with less frizz, the soft smoothing buff, the smooth straighter style, and the round volumizing brush. So that's what it comes with. Oh, and it also comes with obviously the normal hair dryer, which is that one. I don't know if it's because I got the full set or what, but mine comes with this really plush, like lovely tan leather case. I don't know, this makes it worth the price. Okay, so this goes for about £450, which is kind of on the pricey side for a hairdryer, but if you're someone like me and you spend a lot of time on your hair and you know it's the kind of business you want to go into, these are things that I need to try to know if they're worth investing in for my salon, if they're worth investing in for myself. Like, you know, I'm all about finding less damaging ways to style hair, so I love things like this. But anyway, without going on more, I'm gonna open this and show you what it looks like. So it's not arranged the same way, sorry, but yeah, you get the drift. So when you open it, it has like a magnetic, no it's not, it's just on pretty tight. So it's like that, it has a little lid, comes with warranty, which I haven't done yet. And I'm gonna go through each thing. I'm just gonna bring them out of the case so you can see them properly and I can talk them through with you. Okay, so obviously first is the actual motor. This is the actual hairdryer. So this is my main bit that comes with a power cable plug, gray one with the same Dyson head as the blow dryer, and that's that. I got this silver and pink one, but I think this also comes in black and purple. This is the regular blow dryer, the blow drying head for like just regular blow drying. So let me show you how. So you would attach them on just simply, you unlock at the back, fit this on, and then it will click, and then you lock it on and then it's on for good. And you take it off like that. Comes with the roller brush. So you put this on, put this on the same way, click, let go, and it is on as a roller brush. This is the one I've actually used. This is the firm smoothing brush. So this is literally giving you like a really good blowout. On brush. And then these are the colors. So we have the 40mm and the 30mm. One is bigger than the other, as you can see. And they have arrows on them. So you know when you curl your hair, you want your hair to curl out that way. So this side goes like that and that side goes like that. So this is one for left, one for right, and it just shows you the direction. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So 2 thick ones and 2 thin ones. So yeah, that's pretty much the Dyson blow dryer. So what I'm going to quickly do is I'm just going to take my hair out of this ponytail and show you how it works. So it says it works best on damp hair. So I mean, without going too much into hair science, there are only 2 ways to alter your hair, like your hair structure, like temporarily, and that's with heat or with moisture. So, ooh, my hair looks cute. So with having a little bit of moisture in your hair, i.e. having it damp, it makes it easier to temporarily alter your hair structure, basically, long story short. So what I'm just gonna show you real quick is, I'm not washing my hair tomorrow, I'm just changing my style. So when I don't wash, I try to keep as much of this as possible so I don't have to rebrush my hair a lot every morning. So I'm just gonna do a quick demo on this section. As you can see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it out, and then I'm gonna, even though you're not really going to see the effect of brushing out because it's already stretched, but then I'm also going to put the curler on here so you can see what that is like. Okay, so I packed the rest of my hair away, and I have just a spray bottle here. So I'm not going to get my hair wet, but I'm just going to, you know, get it damp. Right? So it's about, yeah, it's reverting, so you can see that it's damp. Right? So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys how the brush head works. So unlock, lock back, and it's on. It comes with 3 settings and 3 temperatures. So cool, medium, high, and then low, medium, and high. Because it doesn't use extreme heat, I feel comfortable using these on the highest settings, but I usually go middle setting and then work my way up to high setting. So I'm gonna go medium heat, medium setting, and put it on. And that's the sound it makes. Goes through my hair so easy. So you can already see how much smoother my hair is, but I'm going to do it on the high heat and high setting. High heat and high setting. So now if you look at that, like, so if I wanted to do like a twist out or a braid out or something on stretched hair, like I can basically get my hair almost dead straight, and it takes what, 1 or 2 passes on. It really doesn't even feel that hot. So I'm gonna just get this a little damp again, pour a bit of hair. I'm really tampering with it, but it's just for this video, so I can show you how the curler works. So you allow your hair to get wrapped in, and then whoop, and that's kind of what you get. So I haven't quite figured out or mastered it yet, but I'm gonna try one more time and show you properly, because I did it the other day, but you have to get it. It's a new technique, so you sort of have to, hang on, let me just put some moisturizer on this section of hair and give it a little bit of love. Okay. So you go like that, wrap it around, and then you twist all the way up. Does not feel hot. Okay, so what I did was I did it on heat and then I put it on the cool so it could cool down in the curl. And then I'm just going to slowly unravel and take this out. So yeah, I haven't quite mastered this curl bit, but there's lots of settings on here and I can also use it for my wigs and you know, so would I necessarily say for a curly girl you need the curling setting? No, but the brush, and let me try the round brush. Let's see. Okay, so the roller brush works too. Like, I'm not a big roller brush fan kind of girl, but it works. So basically what I would say is, for me, I would probably only be using the blow dry feature and the brush feature. I think everything else probably wouldn't work too well for thicker hair types, and I don't even have like super thick, so potential waste of money, yeah. But I think if I'm gonna ever use a roller brush anyway, or even curl my wigs and my weaves and even my hair, if I want to straighten it and then curl it and stuff like that, I would much rather use this than a regular blow dryer or a regular, you know, thing with heat, because that's just obviously more harmful for my hair. So I'm just gonna feed this a little bit more water and love, because, you know, water is your hair's best friend. People always ask, how do I grow my hair? Sometimes just by doing things like this randomly and giving your hair some TLC. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys and work through it on camera, because I hadn't really played with it too much, but kinda. But yeah, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Not worth 500 pounds. But it was a gift, so you know. Anyways, that's my quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I have any more toys or stuff, I will be more than happy to share with you. But I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.